Welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for the best sales funnels examples? Let's break down the 3 powerful ones you can build inside GoHighLevel today. Start with a simple opt-in page that offers a free guide, checklist, or webinar. It's still one of the fastest ways to build your email list. And that's how to build a lead magnet funnel. Now let's talk about a webinar funnel. The automated webinar funnel, perfect for coaches and consultants. It educates, nurtures, and then sells high-ticket offers on autopilot. What about a local business funnel? It's a booking funnel works best. And add to a landing page with a form or calendar, instantly filling appointments. These are the top performing sales funnels you can set up in GoHighLevel right now. Pick one and start testing today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.